Hello students, welcome to computer class. We have finished evolution of computers, this chapter, correct? I hope all of you have understood this chapter. Now whenever you will get notes, you have to complete the question answers from those notes in your computer book. Now we will see what is the activity which is given on page number 8. This activity will try to solve. I have shown you here some steps how to solve this activity. Okay, here it is given that open Wordpad and type the text given below in the book. Here in 2 slides I have given the text without any formatting effects, means simply you have to type the text first. Always we are giving this instruction in the school also. Now see, this text challenges in life come in 3 broad categories: easy, difficult and impossible. Now these points which are given below, see, those who take on easy have a safe and boring life. Those who take on difficult have a tough but satisfying life. And third point is, those who take on the impossible are remembered. Now here, can you see the symbols? Those are called bullets. How to give the bullets? All this we are going to see in detail. Now, at home, on your PC or on your laptop, everyone is having different operating system. Means somewhere you'll have 2007 operating system, that is Microsoft Office 2007, or somewhere 2010, 2013, 19. Okay, now how to find out the Wordpad? Generally whenever we are in the school, we are following the steps, that is we have to click on the start button, all programs, and then click on Wordpad. But here you have to find out the Wordpad where exactly it is located. For that, from the desktop you have to place your cursor in the search bar. Generally the search bar is at the bottom of the screen on the left hand side, but sometimes in some operating systems it might be on the topmost right corner. So you have to find out the search bar, and in that you have to type the word Wordpad. Now after that, see here it is shown search bar. In the search bar we are typing the word Wordpad and press enter key. So blank file will get open in front of you. You'll get Wordpad window and then type the text given as it is, without applying any formatting effects. Now all of you know what is formatting effects. Means don't apply any bullets first, don't apply any particular font or any color for the font. Whatever size of the font and whatever font is available, use that only and type the given text. So your screen will look like this. Now after typing text, your screen will look like this. Okay, each point we have written on the separate line because we want to give bullets against those points. Now after that, select the complete text and change its font to Tahoma. Now this Tahoma, how to change the font to Tahoma? For that you have to click on home tab. In the home tab, font group, and in the font group see the cursor, see the arrow where it is placed, that is the font. You have to either type the font Tahoma or you have to select by clicking on the arrow which is pointing downward. It is shown with the mouse pointer. Okay, now how to select the text? For that, it is a revision. Already you have learned how to select the text. Now for that, first there are 2 methods. First method is that first use the shift key and the right arrow key. Now here place the cursor at the beginning of the sentence or beginning of the file. See, the beginning of the file is starting with the word challenge here in this file. Okay, so place the cursor before the word C. I think all of you can see here. okay, on the screen. And then shift key you have to keep it press with one hand finger, and with the other hand finger you have to press the right arrow key. Here in the slide it is shown with the black right hand side arrow key, correct? Both these keys you have to press it together. So character by character the sentence character by character it will get selected, it will get highlighted. Okay, another method is that, see here, cursor is placed at the end of the sentence and the cursor it is getting moved over the sentence. So we have to use mouse to scroll, means to drag the mouse pointer over the sentence so it will get selected. These are the two methods. I think all of you have practiced this earlier. Now you will come to know how to select it. Okay, after selecting you will get like this screen. Okay, it is blue in color. That is not the highlightation mark. It is the sentence is highlighted or sentence is selected. To do further to give further effects for the font. Okay, now here next point is because we want to change the font. Earlier we have seen how to change the font. Now third point is highlight the word challenges and change its color to red by clicking on font color tool and font size 16. Now one by one we are giving the effects for the text. Now how to do that? For that again I have earlier told you how to select a word or a sentence or a paragraph. Here again you have to select the word challenges. For that keep your cursor at the beginning of the word challenges, press shift key, keep it pressed with one hand finger and with the other hand finger you go on pressing right arrow key. This is one method. Another method is that move your mouse pointer over the word challenges, it will get selected. Now after this what we have to do? See, you have to click on the home tab, font group, and from that you have to change the size of the font. Earlier we have changed the font itself. Now we are changing the size. See here, Tahoma, and after that 16 is written. After 16 there is a small arrow pointing downwards. Means here by deleting 16 you can write new number. Another way is that you have to click on that arrow which is pointing downward. It will show you the list of font sizes. Out of that you select whatever size it is required in the file. Okay, and below that alphabet A having at the bottom a strip of the color. There whatever color is there in the strip, if you want to select the same color, click on alphabet A there itself. Otherwise beside alphabet A showing color strip at the bottom, there is a small arrow again pointing downwards. You have to click on that arrow so you will get a color plate, and out of that you have to select the colors. After performing this activity you will get your screen like this. See here, size is 16. In the on the ribbon the font is Tahoma, then size is 16 it is showing. Then below alphabet a red color is shown, and see the word challenges, it is showing red color and the size is little bit small compared to the other lines of the text. Okay, now after that we want to give bullets, means the symbols against the text. How to give bullets? Select the 3 points and apply bullets by clicking on bullet button in the paragraph group on the home tab. Okay, one by one we will see. First you have to select all the 3 points. How to select? Again Place the cursor at the beginning of the sentence. Now the 3 points are starting. The first starting point is those who tick on easy. This is the first point. So keep your cursor before the alphabet T from the word those, and then press shift key, keep it pressed, and then press right arrow key and go on pressing it until you will complete all the 3 points. This is one method. Another method is that bring your cursor at the beginning of the word those and move over the cursor or drag the mouse pointer over these 3 points. So all these 3 points will get selected. After that, where to click? For that, see here, home tab, now paragraph group. Beside font group, there is a paragraph group. In the paragraph group, see 3 dots are given against the lines. We want these type of bullets only, that is simple bullets. Otherwise, beside that, again one arrow is shown pointing downward. If you will click on that arrow, you will get varieties of bullets, but here we want the normal bullets. So we are selecting this, which is shown with the red arrow here, and the mouse pointer is also showing the bullets. Where it is located? It is in the home tab, paragraph group and bullet option. Now after that, see, after doing the 4th activity, you will get this screen, means against each point a dot is coming, that is called a bullet. All of you are aware of this, correct? Now next is we have to save the file using Ctrl plus S key combination, or click on the file menu, save option, close the Wordpad application. Okay, now all this activity whenever we want to do. Now how to click? See here, you have to click on the save option. You have to click on the file menu, save option. After that you will get a save dialog box. In the save dialog box, you have to show the destination and you have to give the file name. After giving file name, click on OK. So the file will get saved. This is one method. Another method is that you have to press Ctrl and S, these 2 keys together. So in that case also, if the file is not saved earlier, you will get a save as dialog box, and you have to give the destination of the file, whether to save it on the desktop or documents. Okay, and then now next is we want to close the file and we want to come out of the Wordpad. This is our last step. Now here we have to again click on the file. Now we have saved the file already. Now we want to come out of this Wordpad. We want to close this file and we want to come out. So click on file menu and exit option to come out of the Wordpad application. I hope all of you have understood the activity and all of you will do it nicely. Not only this paragraph, many more paragraphs you can try in Wordpad, giving different font sizes, different colors for the font, or different font itself. You try different fonts. Okay, so practice well. Now in the next class we will start the 10th chapter, that is surfing net. Okay, we are not going to start the second chapter after this first chapter. We will start the 10th chapter. By the time all of you go through the slides again and see the first chapter details again, learn it properly, and whenever you will get the notes, try to complete the computer workbook. Write the question answers in that. Okay then, bye.